This USA fact will shock you. The Mississippi River once flowed backwards. Earthquakes caused it. Geology reshapes rivers. Nature is powerful. In 1811 to 1812, massive earthquakes near New Madrid shook the central United States. The force was so strong, it temporarily reversed parts of the mighty Mississippi River. Water surged upstream as the land lifted and sank. New lakes formed overnight. Entire landscapes shifted. It proved that even the largest rivers are not permanent. Earth can rewrite geography in moments.